with another video. It's been so long since I did a video. So this time around, I'm just going to try to be more consistent and do more videos. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do two ponytails, two extended ponytails basically with weave hair. So the first thing I did was part my hair down the middle, and then I put them both in two ponytails, the placement of where I wanted them to be, and then I went ahead and took out my baby hairs. So that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm going to go ahead and start with one side of the ponytail. So that's what I'm doing here. So this video is kind of going to be like a little look and learn, and then I'll come in between to give tips. So there you go. So you can't really see how I'm molding my hair on this side. So I'll go ahead and give you some tips for when I do the other side. So when you're molding, you basically want to take the hair in sections and mold it. So spray the top, middle, and then the bottom, if that makes any sense. And then once you like that placement, you go ahead and secure it with the rubber band. So that'll be like your last mold. And yeah, and then my baby hairs kept getting in the way. So another thing you can do is basically rubber band the baby hairs, or clip them away with a small clip so they won't get in your way. So you'll be able to see me molding the other side a little bit better. But yeah. Okay, so now you can see better on this side. So you see that I started from the top and I sprayed that one part that I was trying to mold. So I'll do the same thing throughout the whole ponytail. So the start, the middle, and then the end, if that makes any sense. And make sure you get your baby hairs out, because you're going to be mad at the end when that hair is too hard. So this is me molding the other side. Okay, and then I'll come back for when it's time to do my baby hairs. Oh, I was so mad when I seen this part. I literally was on TikTok on live, and I asked them to help me with the part, and they said it was fine. Anyways, I want to do the baby hair. So you get a small flat iron, if you have one, but you can use like a thinner one, and you flip the hair up. And then my sideburns, I usually flip the way I want them to lay. So whichever way you want your hair to lay, just flip it in that direction. Okay, so for the baby hairs, I use the same method. So I start with the I hate doing voiceovers. I start with the top, the middle, and then the end. So I do the same thing like how I mold the ponytails. So the sideburns, I do the same thing, sort of, but I kind of like my sideburns kind of messy looking, so I don't apply as much product. But basically, you do the same thing: the top, the middle, the middle, and the end. And then I use Got to Be spray as well, only for my baby hairs. So you could spray a little bit, as you see me doing right there, and then you swoop like in a C motion. So when you want like swoops, use C motions, and when you want something more dramatic, that's when you'll use like the S motion, and that'll get you all kind of like swirls and stuff. So there I am doing my baby hairs. I'll let you guys watch the end. Okay, so here's the end of the style. Basically, you braid down each of the ponytails, and then you sew with the needle and thread the bundle to the hair. So this part is kind of hard when you're doing it on yourself, but I usually do my wefts double, but when I do it on myself, I single them, so I'm able to sew up the hair like a little bit easier. And also, I put a black wrap on my hair to lay down any flyaways that I may have missed. And I'll take that off at the end of the style. So the rest of the video, I'll be sewing this ponytail on. And the other one I sew off camera. And then I'll come back when I'm styling the end. But that's pretty much it. So here's the final look, and also we'll finish off with some shine spray. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Toodles.